Welcome, it's Dad and Son DIY It All, and today we're opening an Eero Wi-Fi system.
So the reason we picked this up is we have Wi-Fi, but we have an all-in-one router. Our router is in the basement, and while the hardwired gets us all the speed we need, and it's broken up and it works perfectly, because it's in the basement, we think that it's affecting the Wi-Fi speed. So we're gonna pick this up, add this to the system, and hopefully that'll fix our speed issues. So while Son's unboxing this, we're gonna get this moving, get everything out, get it laid out, and you know, if you've seen any of our other videos, we are instruction readers, so we're gonna make sure that we read so you know, and we give you any tips along the way. However, we did find out through research that the best possible place for this, instead of in the basement, which we have our full router set up now, is, since we live in a 2-story home, is on the floor of the 2nd floor. If you know different or know better, shoot us a comment below. We're happy to locate it wherever to try to increase our Wi-Fi speeds. So let's get this unboxed.
It came with the Eero, it came with a power adapter, and it came with an internet cable.
Yes.
And this is USB-C, which I've never seen on something like this.
So then the instructions are just 3 simple steps. So we're gonna go ahead and get that downloaded, and then we're gonna get started. So we'll check back shortly after that. So we got everything connected the way it is. We're gonna go to our preferred location and then plug this in, and then hopefully the Bluetooth setup in the app will take care of it from there, and we'll be ready. Right, so now we have it in our location. We actually use an existing Ethernet cable. You can see it glowing. So this is on the floor in a 2nd floor bedroom. So we're gonna go back to the app and get this all connected via Bluetooth. However, before we connected it, we ran a speed test on our existing Wi-Fi to show you. Then we completed the setup, which is super simple since it's an Amazon product. If you have an Amazon login, it takes just seconds. And then we reran a speed test on the Eero network to show you the results and the change. So this was a huge improvement. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did,
Please consider liking and subscribing.
take care.